Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to cash out or withdraw your roundups on Cash App. Start by opening the Cash App on your phone. Once the app is open, look at the bottom of the screen. You will see several icons. Tap the Banking tab. This is the bank or home icon that shows your balance and financial options. After you tap the Money tab, scroll until you find the Savings section. Tap on Savings to open it. This section shows the money that has been set aside through features like round-ups. Inside the Savings page, look for the option that says Transfer Out. Tap on Transfer Out to begin moving your saved money. Next, you will need to enter the amount of money you want to move. Type in the amount that you want to transfer from your savings. After entering the amount, select the option called Move to Cash Balance. This will move the selected amount from your savings into your main Cash App balance. Once the transfer is complete, the money will appear in your Cash App balance. From there, you can withdraw the money to your linked debit card or bank account. Thanks for watching.